Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
For the past 35 years, my son Daniel and I have shared a journey filled with love, laughter, and resilience. Daniel's faced many challenges living with a disability, and our connection has been my guiding light. Despite the challenges that his disability brings, we share a deep and unbreakable bond that has been the cornerstone of my life. I have always strived to provide him with the care and support and love that he deserves, and our relationship is a testament to that commitment. Regrettably, due to the past, I granted guardianship of my son to my ex-husband when I was seeking help for my own struggles with addiction. I've maintained 22 years of sobriety. At that time, I believed it was in Daniel's best interest to have his father as guardian. I had no idea the way this decision would be exploited and misused over the years. Despite every effort, my ex-husband has constantly utilized his guardianship as a means of causing pain and distress and using our son as a pawn in his vindictive actions against me. My heartbreak is compounded by the fact that my ex-husband's actions are not motivated by for the well-being of Daniel. No. His primary intent has been to cause me harm, even at the expense of Daniel's emotional and psychological well-being. I believe that every child deserves the love and care of both parents, and my son's life should not be defined by the conflicts between his parents. In spite of all my efforts to rectify this situation with my ex-husband, I am now facing a court battle. He has stopped my visitation. Please join me in praying to completely eradicate this horrible situation and reunite my son and I. He needs our prayers, our love. Please help and join me in this fight.
Okay, let's look at it.
It's beautiful.
More, please. More, please. What? What? Tell me.